back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share my Nykaa and Hawk makeup. I have merged this video just because I had too many packages and I got them recently and I wanted to share that with you. And yeah, I have got like, I'll show you these many big packages. I know it's huge. I wanted to share this haul, I mean both of these haul together with you guys, so that's why I'm here today. And yeah, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that whenever I'm posting my next videos in future, you will get notified. Yeah, also if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, it's Missy and Fierce by Wet n Wild. I had shared this lipstick in my last Hawk makeup haul. So yeah, that's all of all the blabber. Let's begin with the haul. Alright, so I'll start with my Nykaa luxury store. Whenever you buy any luxury products, I mean high-end products from Nykaa, they send you in this black colored luxury box right here. I had bought a lot of luxury items last time like MAC and Huda and everything, and I don't know why they sent me all those package like in a normal brown packet like this. Maybe they were short of it. No idea. Leave that. I mean, let's begin with this, and I'll be showing you what's there in it, what I bought from Nykaa this time. And I have got this Smashbox primer water. This is how it looks like, and I have also used this in my last video because I could not resist to use this one. I wanted this product like since a long time now. My to have list had this product in it, so I wanted this product so badly. So yeah, it's here right now, and yeah, this is the first product. Next, I have got two things free with this one. When I was putting the primer water into my cart, I got a notification that you can get a mascara and there's a primerizer. This is a mini version, I mean this is a free package like, and I got this free with the primer water. This is a photo finish primerizer, primer and moisturizer in one. So this is very small, but it's okay. I can use it like 2-3 times or 4 times maybe. And the second thing I got free with it is this Super Fan mascara. This says Super Fan fanned out mascara, and I have heard a lot of things about this one as well, and I'm so glad that I got this, and I'll just use it. Here is the wand. I'll just use this and see how does it perform, and maybe I'll order this in the full size later. Alright, that's all for the luxury package. Now next one, I'll just open it. Did I really open this package? Oh my god, I haven't opened it yet. Okay, I got the cutter and I'll open this package in front of you guys. Let me see how to open it. Be a little careful with this. That should be it from here. Alright, so you get all these bubble wraps inside this. Oops. Just see what's there in this. Alright, I can see Lakme foundation here. Yes, this is primer plus matte perfect cover foundation, and this is the first time I have ordered any of the Lakme products. I'm not a fan of Lakme products, and honestly I have never used anything of it except from the eyeliner, because I love that eyeliner so much that I keep reordering that. And yeah, this is how the foundation looks like. I don't know if it's my shade. Oops, there's no pump also. See, this is the reason I don't like Lakme like that much. It smells good. That, yeah, it smells good. Let me see. It looks like it'll match me, so we'll test it out later. So yeah, this is the first one. Now next thing, alright, so next thing I had ordered is this Nykaa brightening face mask. Face masks are never too much for me, because I am a skin care kind of a person. I do take care of my skin, so I love masks, and that's the reason I wanted to just try this one. So I have ordered one. If at all I like this, I will be ordering rest of them. Yeah, so this was the next thing. And after this I have ordered this Etude House's eyebrow pencil. This is drawing eyebrow, and this is in the shade gray brown, because the gray brown shade was looking a little promising for my brow hair color. So that is the reason I ordered this one. Oh god, where do I open this from? I'm just trying to peel this off so that I could show you the shade of it. Alright, so finally I removed that barcode side of the thing, and it is retractable pencil, and I'll just show you the swatch of it. This is like buildable and not that dark, like not too precise. Like if you just swipe it like that, it won't give you the color payoff at once. Like it's very light color. I think it'll do the job of it. So yeah, we'll try it later. Alright, so next thing which I have bought is this Wet n Wild's cold crayon poreless. I don't know, I can't read beyond that. And this is in the shade what's the shade? This is in the shade Calling Your Buff. So I'll just remove its packaging from here. I don't have bigger nails. Alright, so it's finally opened. I'll just show you the swatch of it. This is a nude pencil, you guys. I have ordered this to apply this into my lower lash line, because I need to make my eyes look more bigger in appearance. So that is why I have ordered this one. I did not have nude pencils like this in my vanity, and I wanted to order something like this from long time now. So yeah, this is the thing. So let's open this box now. And I had opened this earlier, so no big deal opening this one. I've got the bill right here, and the first thing which I have ordered in this one is this pack mink lashes in the style, M75. This is how it looks like. I love packed lashes. I mean, they are so affordable, so comfortable on your eyes. So I want to just make a little collection of packed lashes. That is the reason I'm just ordering packed lash in every other order of mine. So yeah, this is the first thing. Alright, so the next thing which I have ordered is this Nykaa Glamour Eyes. This is a eyeliner in the shade 07 Poisonous Plum. As you know, maybe you don't know, there's a trend going on in which all Instagrammers and influencers, they are creating colored eye looks, like colorful eye looks, in which they are using purple eyeliners, some are using yellow eyeliners, some are using turquoise or green or anything of that sort. So I wanted to create something colorful too, and I did not have any colorful liners like these, so I had put a lot of them in the cart of mine, but it just got out of stock and stuff like that, so I could not order much, but I got this purple one in my order this time. So yeah, this is the next thing. The next one is my personal favorite, and I had my eye on it like since the longest time now, and that is this NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. There's a matte formulation also in this, that is called vinyl liner, I guess. Yeah, and I love that formula as well. I finished that like long ago, and I wanted this one in my collection, and yeah, it's finally here. I'm so happy. I'll just show you how black it is. Look at that. Oh my god, this color payoff is to die for, and I love felt tip liners like these because it saves your time, you guys. If you are a new makeup user or beginner, you can just order this one and you will love this stuff like nothing else. Next, I have ordered one more eye pencil in the shade Nude. This is by PAC, and its shade name is Skin, of course, and its packaging is somewhat like this, with zip closed packaging, and I love that. It is safe inside that. So this is how the pencil looks like. I'll just show you the swatch of this one as well. As you can see, this is more of paler side. This was more like nude side, so I can use both of them like differently. And yeah, this was the next thing. You get a smudger also at the end of this, so I won't be using it, so it's okay. Yeah, that was the second, not second, the next thing. Gosh, it's too hot over here, and my AC is not working, you know that. Next thing is this. This is a brush cleaner, auto brush cleaner by the Coolest Makeup Tools, the Brush Tools, thebrushtools.com. And if you are a MUA or makeup lover, and you know that you'll be using your brushes like many times, or you'll be using many colors at a time, and you don't want that color to transfer on the other, so you must need you must get this one in your vanity, because this thing will save your life. This is a life savior. This is how it looks like. This has black khar type of a thing inside, and you just have to take your brush and clean inside this. Like, you have to just swirl your brush into this, and you will get rid of all the color with whatever you have on your brush. And if you have just one or two brushes, like, this is very good and useful to you. Like, you can use only two brushes, and you can use as many colors you want by cleaning on this one. Alright, so that's all. You can just do hawa also with this. So that's all for my Nykaa haul. let's start with my Hawk makeup haul now. You wonder why do I look in, you know, only blacks on my videos to you. So don't worry, I have got like 115 t-shirts and 115 tops like in my wardrobe. They are only in black color and I don't get bored of it. That is the thing. I mean, I don't get bored of black color, and simply I wear black and I live for them and I live in them. And so if at all you were wondering, now your question is solved. So let's start with this one. I got this one, you know, in the morning itself. So the first thing which I have got in this is this palette. This is by Rude Cosmetics, Blackjack 21 eyeshadow palette, and this is what the color scheme looks like. This is so intelligent, like so good. You can just read all the color names over here if you want to, and this is very helpful. I'll show you how the palette looks like from inside. Yeah, this is how the palette looks like from inside. This scheme of colors, I just love it. Oh my god, this, you know, orange shade, and also this lilac, and this, you know, very nice shimmery shade, like it's calling my name. And I have recently, you know, made an eye look like my last video. It was based on pink and lilac only. So yeah, I just love the scheme on this one, and can't wait to try this one. Right, so that was the first thing. And next I've got, you know, bunch of Nika K eye palettes. There was a sale going on. I'll just show you. I've got all of them, you know. I know it's insane, but I loved, you know, all the color scheme in each palette, and I could not decide which one to order. Oh my god, it's so difficult, and it was too difficult for me to, you know, think at that time, and that is the reason I had to order, you know, all of them together. So this is the first one. This is in the shade Sugar Plum. As you can see, I'll just show you. Look at this, you know, color scheme right here. So, you know, purpley, plummy, and it goes with its name. Like, this is so beautiful. Next palette is Poison Apple. This is how it looks like. Now after you watch this, you will be, you know, able to say that why did I order all of them, because, you know, I could not resist. And yeah, this is the color scheme of this one. Very pretty, very beautiful. Next is Under the Sea. This is how it looks like, and I had to order this one just because of this yellow shade right here. And I have swatched this. You won't be able to make right now, and I will show the swatch of, you know, one of these, so that you know the pigmentation and everything. So yeah, that was the third palette. Then I have got the fourth palette. It is Mocha Mix. This is how it looks like, and I'll just open it. Oh, there's a sticker over here. So this is how it looks like from inside. Like, if you are a makeup lover and you create a lot of eye looks, like, or if you want to create a lot of, you know, eye looks, different eye looks, do, you know, get your hands on these. So yeah, that was the next palette. And then I have got the Autumn Spice. This is how it looks like. So I'll just show you from inside. This is how the palette looks like. Very beautiful. You know, all kind of neutral orange and, you know, mustard shades. Very beautiful. That was the fifth palette, and the last one is Birthday Cake. This is how it looks like. They were so cute. I mean, online they, you know, show you the brighter colors and, you know, better colors, but this looks as, you know, shown in the pic of the, you know, website, and this looks so beautiful. I mean, I'm just, you know, imagining these on my eyelids. I'm just seeing myself using these, you know, a lot. So yeah, this was the next things are lipsticks. These are from LA Colors and these are from Wet n Wild. So I'll just give you swatches of all this. So first I'll show you these LA Colors matte, you know, liquid lip color, and the first shade is called what's the shade name? I just hate it when I have to, you know, hunt for the names, shade names on the packages. This is in the shade Pumped. So I'll just open it and show you the swatch. Oh my god, it smells like candy. I feel like eating this. This is how the shade looks like. This is very nice, you know, pink, peach, pinky peachy kind of a shade, and I'm just seeing myself using this one a lot. I love nude shades and, you know, shades which have, you know, less payoff of color, like not too bright. Sometimes I wear reds like today I'm wearing, not all the time. So yeah, next shade is Cuddles. This is very nude and I just love, you know, colors like these. This is more on a, you know, nude side. It says Cuddle, and you can see the color over here, and I'm just loving this one as well. This is sort of a apricot-y color, like apricot. Yeah. All right, so next lipstick is Feisty. This looks like a red color, but I don't think so. It's red. Let's see. Alright, so it is a brick orangey red kind of a shade. This is how it looks like. Brick red, or, you know, orangey red kind of a shade, and I'm loving it. Oh my god, I did not have, you know, shade like this one in my collection. So I'm glad that I bought this one. Next, I've bought a lip gloss by Wet n Wild. This is Wet n Wild's Mega Gloss lip gloss in the shade Fly Girl. This is how the shade looks like, and I'll just give you the swatch of it. And oh my god, this is a very nice pale pink kind of a shade, and I'm living for this color. Oh my god, so beautiful, so shiny, very nice. Next is again a lip gloss by Wet n Wild. If you remember, I had shared this lip gloss in my last Hawk makeup haul. So I love this stuff so much. I'll just show you that, you know, it just made me buy this one more time, and I'm just loving this color. You can see how nice, you know, peachy, you know, very like transparent kind of a gloss it is. Like, I just love to, you know, apply this over a lipstick. This is very beautiful on your lips, and looks very juicy, very nice, as the name says, glassy gloss. Yeah, it pays off. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and as promised, I have swiped, like I have swatched all the shades from one of the palettes. This is the Birthday Cake. This is how the palette looks like from inside, and I have swatched the colors of it, and you can see the color payoff. I mean, I'm just loving the color scheme over here and how they are, you know, so pigmented and so nice, and I just can't wait to use these. And yeah, that's all for today's video, you guys. If you have any suggestions for me, like to watch on my channel, I would love to, you know, fulfill them, and do let me know in comments down below what next you want to see on my channel. Also, I have, you know, many plans, many you know, content in my mind, so I will be posting them anyways. So yeah, do give a thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and like, share this video. Also press the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that anytime in the future I post a new video, you get notified. Also just connect with me on Instagram, because many things like which I don't post over here, I do post over there. So if you want to know me better, you can just go on Instagram and follow me, and I'll be so glad to you for that. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.